Now we need to run our software as an administrator. Run the printer software. Here we have opened our software. Now we turn on the machine. The USB 2.0 display here means our machine has been connected successfully. Next, it's some normal operations of our machine. Now I will show you how to make a picture. To print the picture, first we need to plug in a USB dongle. Plug in USB dongle. Blue encryption jog. After plugging it in, run our drawing software as an administrator. This is our drawing software, the Douyin version. It shows that it is correct. Then open the spot color settings. The settings here are fixed. Don't change. W1 here. Don't change the settings here. Then we go to Photoshop to make the picture we need. Open Photoshop. Open the image you need. Find the picture in your folder. Select this image to open. Okay, now this is the image we need to print. First, we need to select here. Then select the mode. Change the mode to CMYK. Select OK. After changing to CMYK, select here again. Then change the image size. Change it to the size we need, like 25 centimeters. Change it to centimeters here. We can change it to 25 centimeters. Select OK for the size we need. Now it is what we need. Done. After changing it, then click on the small box here. Right-click the mouse here and select pixels. When we see this around this dotted line, it means the image selection is successful. Click here. Click the 3 horizontal bars here. Select New Special Channel. Create a new channel. We need to name W1. Change it to 100% here. Select OK. Now an image has been created. Select Save it here. Our selected storage location. We choose to save to the desktop. Select Desktop. Make a name. We name the 11. At the same time, here we must pay attention to. Be sure to choose the TIFF format. You must choose the TIFF format. Remember to choose the TIFF format. And save it in the TIFF format. Select OK. Select OK. OK. Our image has been saved now. Here, we click on our printing software. Click here. Add image. Select the image we just made. Here one by one. Click Open. Click OK. This is the image we just made. Select Print directly. This is the curve we selected. Without changing these data, just start printing. Then save it to the place where we need to save it, and name it 11. Here is the PNG format. Select Save. Now the image is being saved. When the image is saved, open our printing software. Click on the desktop. Right-click mouse. And select Refresh. You can see our settings task. Now it's the software operation. Here is the introduction of software operation. Here is the distance setting for the x-axis. Set the position where the print head starts printing. We usually set it to 45 in millimeters. The y-axis does not need to be picked. Here is the path too. Select 16 for darker colors. If you choose 8 colors, it will become lighter. We choose 8. Done here. If your print quality is not good, you can enhance the feathering. Select Enhance Feathering. Be sure to press Save. These settings don't need to be changed. Here, if we need to use 16 passes, select 16 passes. Save. Here are color and way you need to tick. These do not need to be changed. Just start printing. The machine will start working. Stop is to stop working. Click Clean here. Click Clean. The printhead will perform cleaning action. It cannot be operated during cleaning. Then before daily work, we need to print the printhead status diagram. This is it. Print the printhead status graph. The machine will print the printhead status diagram. Printhead status graph. Here is the printhead moving left and right. This is the front and back movement of the paper. This is the printhead moving left. Then press X. The printhead returns to the origin. Printing the printhead status graph is normal. That's all for the basic operations.